What's good, bro? Cat? Hello, shit. You know what I'm saying? What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy K2 Analytic. I ain't got nothing special to say. We're gonna make some money today, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna teach y'all boys how moving averages. There we go. Today, I'm gonna teach y'all boys about moving averages. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get right into it, you know what I'm saying? A moving average is the average of a price move in a certain amount of time. You know what I'm saying? Moving averages are used to find trend reversals. That's the key concept right there. Trend reversals. Ooh, and you know what I'm saying? I use it to find all my trend reversals. I'm gonna show y'all some examples. Hold off for a second. Now look, the best moving averages, you got the 200. That bitch like the wall of China. You know what I'm saying? That's the one. That's one of the most popular ones. Like all the big investors use and all them. Then you got the 50. So like the second most popular one. It ain't like the Brick Wall of China. That bit like maybe the border or some shit. You know, you can still get through. The Mexicans get through all the time. So you know what I'm saying? My personal favorites, she got 9 and the 12. You know what I'm saying? See that shit. And shit, you see this little example right here? This is the 200 I know for a fact. You see how that order at the bottom, I said it's a brick wall and it barely ever touches it? This is a little Bitcoin chart at the time. I made this a while ago. But hell yeah, most big investment companies and retail traders use the 250 average for long-term trading. I use the 9 to 12 moving average for short-term traders to watch for crossovers to confirm up or down trend. Like I said, I'm showing the examples and got two types everybody estimated for that. Now look, this is Bitcoin. Y'all know I trade crypto, and we on TradingView right now. So we're gonna start off with the goddamn 9 and 12. These are my personal favorites. Cause this is what you use to indicate a trend reversal. And what I mean by that is the crosses. You see how when the purple line crosses down, you see how it's a lot of red candlesticks. You feel me? Like, I know y'all see this shit. Now this is on the 15 minute, but you can use this for any time frame. Alright, so back what I was just saying, 'cause I kept on fucking up. But y'all can see when the purple go below the black line, that means it's in the downtrend. But when it goes above the black line, that means it's in the uptrend. And the cross is what confirms this. I'm gonna say that one more time. So when the trend is about to reverse, so you see it stop like this. When that motherfucker cross right here, that means that is a good time to answer your trade. Now I am not good. I am not no damn financial advisor. Tell y'all that shit right now. But this is a 15-minute chart, but let me show y'all the down 1 hour chart of Bitcoin. Y'all can see the same concept here. Let me zoom that out a little bit for y'all so y'all can see. Purple. Oh, you see that little purple in the background? It crossed. Long ass red candlesticks. You see that? Boom. You see how that bitch start right here? You see it revert consolidates up, and then it crosses up, and then it's a little not too much, but it's still green, and it consolidates, consolidate. Now look, this is a fake reversal. It never crossed. I would say you have to watch for the cross. If you don't look at the cross, you might fuck up your trade. But you see it don't cross, it bounces off. You see when it bounces off, even the down red, it bounces off too. But you see when it cross, it goes a long down. You see when it crosses again, it goes a long up. Now I'm about to give y'all another example. We're gonna do some SPY, because this is a crypto. I know we're gonna do stock market. It's closed right now. But shit, this is a good example right here. But hell no, we're gonna do the 4 hour. We're gonna start off 4 hours. Alright, so look. Y'all see the cross. Alright, so SPY is closed. It's not. It don't open 24/7 like Bitcoin. So it ain't gonna look like Bitcoin by any means. But you see, the purple up here is it crosses. It crosses down right here. So now it's in the downtrend. It's in the downtrend. You see, it barely crosses, but it does. It barely crosses, but it does. So you see, it bounces up. Then it goes right back down. I say you really have to watch for the cross. You really want to make sure you do a full cross. Jesus cross. You know what I'm saying? So you want to see that bitch go all the way down. The purple is below the black line, so now it's keep going down to the downtrend. Like I said, you see how it's in the downtrend, it's a big green candlestick up. If it do not go above like this black line, like for more than two candlesticks, it ain't real. Don't believe it. It's a fake. It's a false breakout. I'm telling you, don't do it. You see this pattern right here, like that double top where it ain't like an inch above either one of them. My favorite pattern right here. This is a strong support resistance. It's like the big banks and all them right there. know what I'm saying? But like I said, we getting back to that shit. So it's another cross right here. Purple's down, but then the cross is up. You see a lot of green going up. Now we're gonna do this on the 15-minute of the spot. It's closed right now, but it should still work. Should still work. Low volatility should still work. Alright, so look. Purple below the lines in the downtrend. Look, it's starting to cross up. Confirm it right here. A lot of green. It stops right here. It stops going up. Starts to go back down. Confirm it right here. And this is when it had a gap down. Even in spot, it had a gap down right here. A gap down. So then you want to go right back up with green. A lot of green. Start right here. You know what I'm saying? So when it was above the black, that means that it is in the uptrend. And the crosses downtrend. Man, y'all see how this shit is, y'all understand? But now, before I'm gonna show y'all what the big banks do. I ain't forget about y'all boys. Show y'all what these big banks do. So this is what I'm gonna show y'all, the 200 EMA. And possibly I might show y'all the 50. Yeah, I'll show y'all the 52. So you go to moving average, put that on real quick. Then you gotta edit it. Quick listen to it right here. Put the smoothing line on. I'm gonna make these things thick as hell for y'all boys. So the red, that's gonna be the 50. No, the red gonna be 200. Then the 50 gonna be orange or some shit. Then put 200. Gonna put 50 right here. Put OK. Now this is the day chart right here. We're gonna go to the weekly. The 200 is best on the weekly and the monthly. See, I don't know why the fuck 190. Hold on. Hell around with this shit. Yo. Then it's like that was it. Yeah. My shit. There you go. Alright, so look. The red is the 200 and the orange is the 50. Now, like I said, the 200 is like the brick wall of time. You see how it barely hits the 200? My prediction, I'm expecting it to go below the 200. Cause look, even in the 9 to 12, when it just crossed, you know what I'm saying? It's confirming the downtrend. I don't know when that bitch gonna stop, but it might get a little bounce right here at 343. Shoot, it might bounce tomorrow. Ain't no telling. But you know what I'm saying? It's your boy K2 Analytics. I hope y'all liked that tutorial, and I'm out of this bitch, man.